Seniors, it's time to celebrate you at the virtual signing day on April 30th. In order to participate, you need to complete the form listed by April 16th. What is signing day? It's a celebration of students creating post-secondary education plans. Because this includes other options besides college, the word college was removed in order to include everyone. What exactly is post-secondary education? It is the education level that follows high school. So what are you going to do to get trained for the career of your future? Where will you go to get trained for the career of your future? Will you go to a university, a two-year college, trade or vocational school, military, apprenticeship, technical college, or a specialty program? All of these are options for post-secondary education. In Signing Day, we'll celebrate the option you selected. Former First Lady Michelle Obama supported College Signing Day because of the wonderful opportunity to recognize the hard work of graduating students and as a way to inspire others to take the first steps on their journey to a higher education. Education and career training is critical after high school in order to have a successful future. By looking at the graph, we can see the projected job by education level as represented by the pink arrows. Signing Day celebrates all students that are committed to pursuing education past high school. This includes all post-secondary plans. Signing Day shows full support of students making decisions for their future. So what is College Signing Day? College Signing Day is an opportunity to celebrate students committing to pursue their education past high school. Whether a student wants to earn a 2-year degree, 4-year degree, certificate, industry-recognized credential, or enlist in the military, we want to celebrate you. Traditionally, this happens on May 1st. However, Freedom High School's virtual signing day will be on April 30th. Want to participate in Freedom High School's virtual signing day celebration? You will need to complete this form by April 16th. Include the following information. Where are you going? Where will you pursue your post-secondary education? What is your career goal? What do you want to be when you grow up? Or what will you be studying in your post-secondary education? Include a signature. That way, this will be officially signing day. You're signing your letter of intent to pursue your post-secondary plan. And then include a photo. You can include up to 2 pictures. Have fun. Dress up in your college gear or your program outfit. Include your family. Have a good time with this and show your spirit for pursuing your post-secondary plan. Then you can also include a short 10-second video, record your name and your college or program name, and then share the link. Be sure to record that horizontally or landscape so that it can be included in the program. Remember, this form is due by April 16th. Virtual Signing Day will be on April 30th, and we hope you will participate. We want to celebrate your post-secondary plans. Remember, turn the form in by April 16th so that we can celebrate with you on April 30th. Go Patriots!